Hi guys, welcome back to FabArts Studio. So in today's video, we will see how to add a white outline around your image. So this is our Canva tool. Here we will go to create a design and let's create a YouTube thumbnail this time, because usually we want our thumbnail to have attractive design and we might also want an outline around our image. So I will just select a background here. You can select any color you want. So this is what I have selected. Now go to your uploads. Here I have already uploaded a PNG image of a cute dog. You just have to place it first wherever you want to, and then just select the image, go to effects, and there select on the shadows, select on the first glow shadow, click twice on the shadows, and here you will see the options. So the first thing you have to do is blur, you have to make it 0, transparency as 100, and size is the size of outline, so you can play around with that. And here color I am choosing white, but you can choose any color you want. So yellow also looks good, but for now I am going with white as it is highlighting in a better way. So yeah, this is how I have added the outline. You can use any online tool to remove the background. So that is the first thing that you will need. Remove the background properly, create a PNG image out of that, and then just upload your image here, and then as I have told you, you can add outline. I have downloaded the design and this is how it looks. Isn't it great? I have created few more designs just for your reference. Here I have used various effects, but I have used black outline. So that's it for today guys. I hope you liked the video, and I think this is really useful when you are creating your thumbnails. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.